we were being explained hypokalemia and hyperkalemia on cardiac rhythm by a cardiologist. Okay, he says that potassium ion plays an important part. Of course, it plays. We all know. And the resting membrane potential of cardiac myocytes is close to equilibrium potential of K plus ion. Of course, because K plus brings it down, right? So of course, it's going to take it to equilibrium potential. This is because high resting potential conductance of it. Yes, it's right. These are all the statements. They are saying that it is regulated by specific potassium channels. Basically, they are asking what causes the repolarization of entire thing. What is causing repolarization? Which channel is causing? We know it's potassium, but all of the channels are potassium. But which one? Okay. They are saying they are open at rest and are closed when there is depolarization. They are open at rest but closed when there is depolarization. First of all, what is inward rectifier potassium channel? You all have heard about it, but no one knows. Does anyone know? What is inward rectifier? So I have made it as easy as possible. Inward, what does it mean? Inward, relating to inside intracellular. The name says it all. Inward means relating to inside intracellular. Rectifier means rectifying something. It is correcting something. What does it correct? Action potential. It's bringing it down to resting state, right? So it's correcting action potential. Like the action potential which has become so unstable that it went into positive, it will bring it back. It will bring it back to ground. That he has so much overconfidence. Action potential has got so much overconfidence, and this will keep it down, bring it down. That's what potassium does. So what are we correcting here? Action potential, and where? Intracellularly. Now, how does this thing happen? By stabilizing the myo. How? By achieving resting membrane potential, as I said here. Same thing. Got it? So ultimately what inward rectifier channel does is it stabilizes the cardiac myocytes by bringing down the action potential to resting membrane potential. Okay. Now, to achieve resting membrane potential, the potassium channels have to open, right? Getting it? To maintain resting membrane potential. If the potassium channel closes, then its heart is going to again go up by HCN channel. And that's what happens because heart doesn't stop after one beat. But when it is on RMP, when it is on resting membrane potential, at that time it has to remain open, otherwise it can't. But to depolarize, like when action potential wants to go shoot upwards, phase zero, right? So when it wants to go to phase zero, you have to close the potassium channel. Otherwise, how will you go to phase zero? That's why the answer is A.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.